Eaton Souriau TRIM-TRIO UTSX series connectors are waterproof circular connectors that feature a lightweight and extremely robust plastic construction that is suitable for harsh applications such as solar and wind power, off-road machinery, instrumentation, and water management. UTSX series connectors are IP68 and IP69K sealed and UV resistant for indoor and outdoor applications. They're also corrosion resistant and can tolerate exposure to fuels, oils, acids, and other fluids. They offer reinforced bayonet locking pins, 250 mating cycle durability, and multiple mechanical keying options to ensure quick, secure, and correct installation. Size 10 to size 14 connectors are available with a wide range of contact layouts for signal and power applications, including hybrid layouts for power and signal or copper and fiber to consolidate connections and save panel space. Connectors are available for cable, panel mount, and PCB through-hole applications.